Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on SMCI, Super Microcomputer. Yeah, we hit here the price level which I predicted in my previous videos, and now we see here a pullback. The overall market is pulling back, guys, so this is normal, this is part of the game. Nothing to worry here in my opinion. I just give you here a brand new update based on the chart. I will let you know all the price levels, what I personally expect here for SMCI next, and of course everything what I say here is not a financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yeah, when we have a very quick look here at the market, guys, Tesla minus 8%, Intel minus 5%, AMD minus 3%, and so on. Is this a market crash? No, guys, this is a pullback. We had here very high prices here in the past days and weeks, and also SMCI was continuing here to squeezing and is still continuing to squeeze. This is what I can already say right now, and that is nothing to be worried, guys. This is normal. The market makers always create these kind of pullbacks to get the lowest possible prices here to accumulate their positions before they continue to pump the market. So we have here a lot of red numbers. You can see almost nothing is green. I mean 0.07% for Bitcoin, 0.9 for Shiba Inu is nothing, guys. Xpeng still okay here, but as I said, this is part of the game. So what does that mean here for SMCI? I want to show you that really quick here in numbers. So since the peak was in here at $66, we lost now here minus 33%. This is the reason, guys, why I always say please don't FOMO into stocks. That just makes no sense. And what we also know is that SMCI has here several gap ups. I also mentioned that in my previous videos here. This gap, guys, this gap up here from $48 to $66. This open gap is now already filled. With this candle here, we closed this open gap, and you can see that we still have price levels here, $36, $29, and so on. So we have a lot of more gaps, but do we need to fill them right now? I will show you that here in this video, guys. Yeah, even the market is red. As you know, I have here the mission to, of course, educate you in trading. This is, of course, the my first mission here, the most important mission. Yeah, the more people understand trading, maybe the more easier it will become to trade. Yeah, this is at least what I think and hope, because if you have no idea how trading works, the chance that you lose your money is very high. Statistic wise, about 90% of all people who start trading lose their money in the first year. This is part of the game, and especially if you never focus on charts, guys, I think that number might be correct. But we can also predict squeezes here in the market, and this is my second mission. I want to predict short squeezes, guys. I do that here every week, and even the market is super red already. Yesterday we had here one big short squeeze, or it started on Monday already here. I was not able to record a video yesterday because of some technical issues here, but I released on Sunday my hot stock video, and one of these tickers already squeezed 109% here on Monday. You can see here the trading hours, guys. Yeah, that is, everything is possible. I mean, just because the market is red, that doesn't mean that we have no squeezes at all. That's why I try to find these pearls, yeah, these very special tickers, and present them here on Patreon, guys. If you want to see those short squeeze stocks here, before we continue with SMCI, you can join here our Patreon full package membership. This is the way to go. This is my most popular membership here. You don't not only get here my hot stocks and the Patreon swing trade alerts, you also have here an FAQ section, tutorials, weekly top 5 US short squeeze stocks, and so on, guys. So we're growing here every day, and everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. If you want to get access to all my member content here, guys, you can click the info card in the corner to join here our Patreon. So SMCI, guys, yeah, indicators, is everything okay? We can use them. I don't focus here on indicators for SMCI. What I focus on, guys, is my trend lines and drawings, and this is where we are. So what we know is that we have this trend channel pattern for SMCI, which is in control of the price, which means this line here, I draw for you here the supportive white line, and we had our first successful breakout here after almost more than 1 year. It was in March 2024. Now almost 1 year later, we have our first successful breakout attempt. What usually should happen in a perfect trading world, guys, is that you break out, retest the support, and then start to squeeze. It is a little bit comparable with the price action which we had here. When we zoom in, we had this accumulation range here, the price accumulation range for SMCI. We had a breakout attempt, we failed. Yeah, then we retested the bottom once, twice, we came back, tried again here to break out, failed, and then with a gap up, the whole squeeze started. And when you see the structure of this short squeeze here, that is here, you can see we built here higher highs and higher lows, yeah, so like this in a wave move here. And just to check what was the volatility during that time, we can measure that here, of course, as well. So that was a pullback of 14%. This is not much. This is a very gentle pullback. This is, I think, more or less the same, 16, 17%, and so on. So you can see we also had here pullbacks in the 2-digit price range before this SMCI squeeze started here, and that was the beginning of the short squeeze in January 2024. So the structure which we have right now, we also tried to break out here out of this trend channel pattern, or we already broke out with a gap up. I said in my previous videos, guys, I don't like gap ups, and you can see that we had our squeeze here building higher lows when we draw a line here, and of course higher highs, and now we have here a pullback back below this algo trend line here. So now it's on, guys, but when we now enable for a second the indicators, we have here a lot of volume, guys, very, very high volume. I don't care if we have here earnings or not and what they're announcing, I really don't care. But when you see this volume here, guys, that means the algos are serious. The algos want this stock to break out here out of this trend channel. We had the first big volume spike here when we left this trend channel to the downside. The algo said, okay, this is the dip we want. And now you can see they know that they have to generate here some volume to break the bearish algos which are waiting here. And that is for me a very good sign. And that's why I think personally, guys, the squeeze is not over yet. I think we will see a bigger squeeze for SMCI. Also, that was for me absolute sure that we get rejected here. You can see my previous videos. I always had here my golden pocket at $57. I said as soon as we go to this golden pocket at $57 and here the open gap at $65, you can see immediately after we closed this open gap here in the chart, we had our pullback. So this is a technical reaction and not a sell-off or whatsoever, in my opinion, guys, not financial advice. Yeah. By the way, guys, what you see here, the chart program is called TradingView. As I said, if you want to learn trading, you need some knowledge here, so you can watch all my videos. And of course, I have much more information on Patreon, but I also recommend that you get your own chart program. In that case, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is what this program is called, and I can give you here a discount link if you want to get that program for yourself. On the premium tier, you save $15 by using this discount link, guys, and when you click the info card here in the corner, you get access to the special TradingView discount link. So what is the game plan now, guys, for SMCI? In my opinion, this is a normal pullback. I think we have still here some support waiting. Yeah, latest here in the $37 range, we can see that the price starts to react here. We retested this price range here a few times, $37, $38 here in that range. But I mentioned that already, for me, in a perfect trading world, we come back one more time here to this white trend line that we have here, our first squeeze attempt. We don't need to come down like that. I think we have here some support waiting at $34. But if the market stays bearish, it is possible that SMCI will continue here like this. Yeah, what usually happens when you have a very red day like this, everything was red, that means maybe today everything will be green. Yeah, this is what the market makers do: shake out, pump, shake out, pump, shake out, pump. And in that case, since SMCI is here in a very strong technical reaction, even in a bullish reversal, yeah, the structure which we have here is a bullish reversal. That's why I think, in my opinion, it is possible. The lowest possible price which I expect is somewhere waiting here in the $27 range based on the actual price move here, and that we then, if we really come down like that between $38 and $27, I think then we will start to continue here squeezing, and then we have here the next price goals for SMCI are $84, $86, and in best case $96 before we finally start to create even new all-time highs. Yeah, guys, that was my update for you for SMCI. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Check out my Patreon, guys. I have a lot of things to offer there. And yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten SMCI-Video. Take care. Bye-bye, guys.